Hey, Power Profit Traders, Tom Gentile here. It is the first full week of February, so I thought what I'd do with you today is talk a little bit about the money calendar and just give you a big, broad overview of what we see this thing doing in the month of February. So as you can see here, this is my monthly calendar, and it actually looks just like a calendar. So I can cruise up and down and look at the overall calendar. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for constant colors, all right? Either lots of green, lots of red, even lots of yellow. And look at it with me here. So this is the 4 weeks we have, 4 full weeks in February. And as you can see, every one of the days except for 2 of them are green. What that means is we have more bullish opportunities that are popping up, giving us percentages that are 90% or better in terms of historical success rate. And so what I'm looking at, for instance, let's take a look at February 8th. So there's 101 trades that are popping up as potential money calendar candidates. 92 of those trades, or 91% of the 101, are bullish trades. And only 9 of those trades, or just 9% of the total trades, are bearish. So if I were to pop in there, then I can actually get a good look and see exactly what we're talking about. And here's the trades that are popping up for February 8th. And as you can see all this bullishness that's going on here. And then down at the very bottom are the bearish trades. And there's a lot of them are just one-day trades. And what I find is that when I look at seasonality, the longer-term trades, the ones that are plus or minus that 30 days or so, are the ones I want to concentrate on. All right? I can also see that there are some trades that have accuracy of 100% going back. But you can see on this list, this is all 100 or 90% trades over the last 10 years of historical value. So we'll go back to the month of February once again. And I just want to show you what we see one more time. So what do I look at what am I looking at when I look at this screen? I'm looking at the overall market for the month of February, likely to head higher if we were going to base the month on seasonality. Right now, as traders, we like to look at more than just seasonality, but just keep in mind for a moment that seasonality is telling us if it happened 9 of the last 10 years ago that the markets overall go up, there's a very good chance that that's going to happen again this year. Add that on to the fact that we have a rebound that's happening in the markets that started at the beginning of the year, and that now we could potentially be starting a new run of lower highs and higher highs for the overall market. And you can see where I want to try to lean into this particular trade. All right, so just quick video for you, kind of give you an idea of what I see happening for the month of February. And of course, I will be giving you more and more educational videos as we go out throughout the month of February, talking about what we can do with this information. All right. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye now.